Okay, so in this episode I will show you how forex traders are faking their statements and their results. I will show you a couple of ways. Then I will show you what we ask traders if they send us some performance chart or some offer that they will trade for us. So what we ask for. Then as a bonus I will show you one website where you can verify brokers and traders, very cool guys. So let's start. First, basically, we have many traders, they ask us, hey, we can manage your money. And how they fake it, they basically just send us some print screen and they fake it in Microsoft Paint or Photoshop. And there are sometimes even mistakes, like they forget some decimal points or they forget to delete, like that it's just virtual account. So that's one option. The second option, basically they have multiple or at least two accounts. If they have two accounts, so example is they send us they buy Apple on another account, they short Apple and they show us, it's simplified, they show us just the account that was successful. Or they have multiple accounts, usually on virtual accounts, just demo, and they make many trades, and if on some of them are successful, they send us the statement. So we want, if we speak with traders, we want to see at least 2-3 years long statements on one account only, so we can check the ID of account. And basically, I don't know, in 15 years as investor I didn't met any successful traders on forex and overall traders, so I'm skeptical, but I verify everything what they send us. And actually I know two groups. One is Goldman Sachs proprietary trading, and they trade since Goldman Sachs it's public bank, so they have public statements, but you and me as normal investor, normal human being, we cannot invest there with them. And the second is one group of traders from one broker, and I watch them 5 years actually, and they are making steady returns of 20% every year for over 5 years. But I still didn't invest in them, I just check them. I know it's crazy to check somebody 5 years and still validate the investment before I will give it to our investors to invest in, but that's how I work, That's why we have 100% success rate for our investors. All of them are profitable. And this is the reason, because we basically do 4 or 5 investments in 10 years. And when we invest, we know that this investment will be profitable for 10, 20, 30 years. And then there is almost zero risk for investors, especially if they invest in multiple assets with us. So basically, first they fake statements. Second, they have my FX book or some other. I will show it to you. Basically, you have some platforms where you can show results, but all of those platforms you can modify the results. You connect it to your brokerage account. Like here, it's 0.47% is profit. So here is a statement. Here are the trades, and I can delete trades that are not successful, and I can modify trades. So let's modify something, whatever, how much we should make on this month, 400. Okay, so now the same account, the same statement has 400%, nice, super profit in 1 month. What I should do, should I change some? Okay, let's say in this trade I lost $159 and I will change it to what? Let's change, we lost just $9, okay? Wait. Here it is. I just make different statement. Now in the same report I lost just $9 and I change it just here in this statement. Okay, so that's a way you cannot trust those platforms. And how we do it, basically, if somebody said us some statements, we want to see one account. If it's a trader, we want to see many years on one account. and basically we ask for two things. First thing is investment account. It was funny, this week I asked for this one successful trader and he didn't even know what is investor account. Basically, you can log in to every broker you use and you can create so-called investment account. So basically with login and password I can log in, but I cannot make trades. I can just see what trades was done on the account. And you cannot fake this because it's directly in the broker account. So it's another level to fake it in broker statements. And it's also possible, but another level. It's like 100% of the low-cost scammers, they fake just these like statements in third-party platforms. So we asked for like investor password and account. It's actually what we give to auditors when they audit our investments. And this is the second thing. Basically, you can even show whatever graphs you want. Okay, we also show some graphs to our investors. Wait a minute. Okay, we have some graphs, you know, renewable energy, we deliver like 7% every year to our investors. But if you go up, first there are info list, statute, key information for investor and audits. This is the most important thing. So basically you can go and check our renewable. It's audited by, what is the name? It's different. Usually it's KPMG or Ernst Young, but this is called, because it's in another country, Walter Cooper, whatever auditors, what it is, PricewaterhouseCooper auditors are here. So you can see all the statements, everything, and down is auditor. The same is here, that it's like the map of investments, the results. You see it's our fixed investment or 7% to investors. Actually 8 it was, now it dropped down to 7. But first you have numbers, statements, everything, and if you scroll down, Ernst Young statement, and try to fake these audits. Because you can call to company and there is audit number and you can ask for that audit, it is real. And those audits cost around 10,000 euro and more. You know, so if some investor want to invest it with us, we need to unfortunately pay those money. So this is how it should look if you want to validate somebody. Investors account and audits from 4 biggest auditors. And now the bonus. The easiest way when somebody asks me, hey, this is too good to be true offer, and first thing I do is I go to website forexpeacearmy.com, and it's well-maintained website. I will put the link in description or in comment. And basically, if there is some broker or something, they really check it, because sometimes they post fake reviews on so they delete them. And basically, if there are negative reviews, you can be sure that it's true and it's a bad broker or bad investment offer. And yeah, Forex Peace Army, very good website to check. And basically what they do mostly, they open some platform, they offer it to investors. After they have too many bad reviews, they close it and start new one with a just different name. So be careful what you do on Forex especially. And in next video I will make feedback about how many screens I use for our investment. It's funny because if you check YouTube, you can see many videos about, like, you know, super cool setup, how to trade, and I will show you how we trade. So see you next.